Fortyfour House shows how a small space can be transformed into a comfortable and functional residence. By maintaining the original structure and adding modern elements, this house manages to optimize every square meter without sacrificing aesthetics. The design of this house maintains its iconic blue facade, while adding modern elements such as sleek windows and minimalist interiors. This approach creates harmony between historical character and contemporary needs. The interior of the house is designed with a minimalist yet textured approach. The use of mirrors on the wardrobe doors creates the illusion of a larger space, while folding windows allow for integration between the interior and terrace, creating a pleasant semi-outdoor experience. The natural ventilation system is very well thought out, so that fresh air continues to flow well despite the compact space. Roof lights and other openings are carefully placed to allow maximum natural light to enter throughout the day. The master bedroom is quite simple but bright thanks to natural lighting from strategically placed windows. The dark blue walls in some parts provide a dramatic feel while reinforcing the identity of the house as the Blue House. The sloping ceiling in this area creates a sense of warmth and intimacy while providing a strong architectural character. The renovation focused not only on aesthetics, but also on sustainability. The use of materials such as cork flooring for sound insulation and lime render for the walls demonstrates a commitment to eco-friendly design.